Last week, I discussed font. If you haven't seen that video, click on the second link in the description to go watch it. While I was doing that, it occurred to me that Premiere Pro has graphics built into it for free to use, and hardly anyone talks about it. These graphics are hidden under the Essential Graphics tab. In Premiere Pro, go to Windows and click on Essential Graphics. It will bring up this window. On the right. From there, you can see all the presets already waiting to be used. Ooh, look at this one. It's perfect for the news. I'm going to drag and drop this over my timeline to demonstrate how simple it is. I'm also going to drag this one across, this intro news across. Now these are all fully editable. If you click on edit here, you can change text, font, size, color, whatever you want. As fun as this is, it's also limited to what you can do. Luckily, Digital Products 669 reached out to me to introduce you to their unlimited titles pack for Premiere Pro. In this pack, it offers 222 graphics to fill your heart's desire. Well, at least what your video needs. Granted, this isn't free, but for $35, you get the graphics that you need for your video, which are fully editable. It'll save you hours of time mocking up ones via After Effects and importing them into Premiere Pro. The link to this pack is the first link in the description below. I just want to show you the benefits of this pack and how simple it is to install it once you've downloaded it. On your desktop for your Mac, go to Library by clicking on Go at the top. Scroll down to Library. If you're like me and you can't see it, click on Go to Folder and type this squiggly line, I don't know the name of it, /library/ and click OK. This will open up your library. Okay, I'm just going to change the view now so it's easier for me to see. Okay. From there, navigate to Application Support, Adobe, Common, Motion Graphics Templates. So this is the area where the presets of all templates are saved. Go to your downloads and copy the unlimited title pack. In the library settings, paste the whole folder in. Back in Premiere Pro, in the Essential Graphics window, click on TUTP. That's the folder we use to copy across. Then import a video that you'd like to place graphics on. This is one I recorded before lockdown when we were allowed to go to restaurants. And then choose your graphic. There's 222, remember, to choose from, so there's quite a lot. I'm going to choose this classic one. Once you're happy with that, click on the edit button. Here is where the fun begins. To remove the black background, just click on remove background. Bam! It's gone. Then choose how long you want the graphic to be on screen. If I scroll up, I want it to be 1 second, which you can see on the timeline above. Under duration, change the 60 to 1. Then I'm going to scale this down to fit in the middle and move it slightly to my left. Bro, if you're not happy with the word classic, you can change it under text holder, where you can also change font and size. But I'm going to stick to the word classic, it kind of fits. You can also change the color under color control here, but I'm just going to make the color pop a little. Once you're done editing, you can delete the rest of the graphic as you don't need it. Bro, I'm just going to grab another one. Slice or dice, that doesn't really fit. So let me grab another one. Here we go, Black Friday Dreams. I want to click on edit, I want to remove the background, I want to hold it until 5 seconds, and I'm going to scale it down. And bam! How easy was that? I think that was less than a second. I will say one thing. My computer couldn't handle the graphics because it was so strong. I had to change the quality down to 1.4. I'm glad I can't record the audio of my fan on my computer going... Felt like it was going to fly off in a second. Aside from that, this is a really good pack to start with. It sets up your understanding of font, of tone, of genre, the exact stuff you need when you're getting started. Have a think, guys. It's worth having a look. Big thank you to Envato Market Digital Products 669 for sponsoring this video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll see you next week. And as always, stay inspired.